Okay, what I'm going to do is attempt to put my nuc over there back onto this hive because my queen is not going to get here till next week. She was lost in the mail, so they have to reship her. She won't get here till Thursday. Next week it's Friday, so we got a full week. So I want to kind of put them back together, try and get them calm until the new queen shows up. Plan anyway. So we're going to give them a little smoke here, a little smoke in front, a little smoke up top, and then pull the top, put it over here. I've got this here just to guard my feeder. That over here. Now I have to remove the top cover. I guess I'll remove my feeder first. Feeder's pretty much dry. So pull it off. I have to shake all the bees out of this. Oh, I don't like that. Okay. Give them a little smoke. Oh, my smoke is out already. Get some embers going in there. A little puff. Open up top here. Smoke underneath. Oh boy, well I left this open in here so I could put a queen in there. And now they've started filled comb there. Now I need to take my queen excluder, put the queen excluder down. I made a special frame here that I can put on top of this. Okay, now I need to put a newspaper here between the two hives until they get acclimated. I'm going to spray it with a little sugar water, wet it down so it's a little easier for them to eat their way through, and the sugar water will entice them to eat it. Okay, now I take this hive, pick it up, I take the entire thing over here, I set it back down onto the other hive. Okay, that's basically it. This comb, they did this in just 3 days. We'll see how they do now. So, get the last of them off of this cover. I'll leave it here for now. So that should work. Put the cover back on this. Now, there we one bee inside. Get out of there. I need to entice to leave. Otherwise they'll get trapped up there. Come on. Get out. Out you go. Out you go. There it goes. Hey. Okay. Everybody's gone. I got 2 sugar water jars in there. And that should be done.